drinking already.
It's a good beer.
I don't want to taste it until the video.
All right. Welcome along, brewers and beer lovers, to Flying Wombat TV. So we are the brewery. We're all about making fun and creative styles of beer with biotechnology and science involved. Now, we are back again for a tasting video. So we've got our skinhead off to your right, Mr. Odin Tito, the man behind the camera, and one of my best mates. So, as I said last time, this dude also has a background in biotechnology and has now got his master's in...
Yeah, like I said last time, I'm not actually his friend. He's just... He's holding me hostage. Send help.
That's not serious.
No, I'm here. I'm here for free beer. Let's be honest.
All right, so today we're doing another tasting video, and this is on the Piña Colada Pale Ale that we made in our last brew day video. So this one, if you don't remember, was made with a whole bunch of coconut shavings that were lightly toasted, as well as what you would have not seen in the brew day video, a whole bunch of pureed pineapple that got dumped into the fermenter tank midway through fermentation. So the idea behind this is that it is supposed to combine your classic Australian style pale ale, which is lighter on the body and got more, fruitiness going on, with your classic Caribbean, Piña Colada rum-based drink. So, cheers, man, and fingers crossed that it turned out.
I mean, I'm very interested because this is the legit first time I'm gonna have a sip of this beer. I haven't had a sip of it, unlike you. So
it's poison. All right.
Oh my.
Look, I've got my own opinions.
I can taste the coconut.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
I was gonna say I've got my own opinions and I don't want to influence you, so I'll throw to you first. First thoughts, and obviously first thought was coconut.
Holy crap. That came through. That's come through better than the previous ones. I think, definitely.
Yeah. So, a big difference between this particular Piña Colada Pale Ale and ones that we brewed previously is that this time we toasted the coconut shavings first, and the idea behind that was by toasting it, it might give us some more flavors on the nutty side of the spectrum, but it should also bring that coconut forth with more strength, because traditionally the pineapple has overpowered the coconut. It's been a bit of a tango trying to balance them. Yeah. And now I think that coconut has really come to the forefront.
That's all I can taste. That's all I can think about.
Yeah.
I'm just going to drink tonight.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
I'm pretty sure it's good. If I keep drinking it, it must be good.
I hope so. All right, talking about the beer while Odin gets over his wet dreams about coconuts. So, nose, honestly, it's just coconut. Like, it is...
Yeah.
The first thing is coconut. It kind of slaps you in the face, but then there is citrus coming in. I don't know if it's Is it pineapple? Are you smelling pineapple? I can't tell if I want to...
You know what I'm smelling, mate.
Coconut. I can't... Okay, so there is citrus. I'm not quite sure if it's pineapple type, citrusness, or if it's... I don't know, maybe more... I know it must be pineapple because it's not lemony, it's not grapefruity. So I'm hoping that's the pineapple from the puree coming through there. So that's what I'm smelling. It does actually smell a lot like a Piña Colada, to be honest. It doesn't really smell like a beer.
It's still got a bit of bitterness to it, though.
Yeah,
it's not sweet.
Yeah,
I wouldn't say it's that sweet.
Yeah, getting to the flavor.
Compared to the lager, it's like way more bitter.
Yeah. And that is a good thing. It is a good thing because it is a very sweet beer because of the pineapple puree. So the bitterness had to be there to balance that. Otherwise, it would end up tasting far too much like a sour beer that wasn't actually sour.
Yeah. It doesn't taste sour to me.
No. But like with a sour beer, they can lack the bitterness because the sour, makes up for the bitterness. With this, it would have just been sweet without sourness.
Yeah.
And it would have thrown it out of balance. So there is bitterness to it that is, it basically feels like a bitterness that you'd get with, any decent pale ale. Like think of like a Young Henry's Newtowner. We're obviously fans of Young Henry's. I think I mentioned them last time now that I think about it. But think of any good craft pale ale, that level of bitterness that you've got backed by the caramel backbone to balance that out. That's the kind of bitterness that this has.
I think it's good as well because I don't actually think the coconut overpowers the beer. Like, it's the signature.
I agree.
You can taste it, but it's not defined by that. It's all around it tastes pretty good.
And then what I would say is that this is much silkier than a normal pale ale.
Yeah.
And I think that's largely due to, obviously, the coconut, first and foremost. The coconut has a lot of oil to it, so it's going to give it that kind of slippery, silky mouthfeel. But then we had so much pineapple in there that I decided the best way to balance this would be with a bunch of oats. So in this particular beer here, as well as, wheat, not oats, as well as, two-row barley and caramelized malts, there's a whole bunch of wheat in here to help balance that mouthfeel so that it does have that silkiness. And you need it to feel silky to feel like a pina colada. Because a pina colada is, such a creamy drink.
Yeah, it's a cocktail, man.
Yeah.
Good drink.
It is. But yeah.
On the beaches of Hawaii.
On the beaches of Hawaii. Little Easter egg joke from the mistake I made last time. But yeah, so on the palate, coconut, bitterness. There is a touch of pineapple. The pineapple isn't there as strong as I would like. I would like to taste more pineapple. But it does have kind of passion fruit, I think, making up for the pineapple. Because I'm not... that fruity flavor is more on the passion fruit side.
To be honest,
side.
I've never tasted a beer like this, mate. I don't think I've had a coconut beer before, so other than the ones you've previously done. But this is definitely at another level compared to the older days.
You flatter me, sir. But I think, traditionally, coconut is used a lot in dark beers because... that the roasted coconut really complements like a really heavily roasted beer, like a stout or a porter. So coconut traditionally works quite well in that style, but it is hard to use it in a pale ale because it is such a unique flavor. It needs the right balance so that it doesn't...
be overpowering.
Yeah, it can. It can really easily be overpowering. And I think that is about as much coconut as we can use.
You know what they say? With power comes great responsibility.
Into the multiverse, into the beerverse,
the coconut power.
Yeah. Well, anyway, it's a great beer. I wish you guys could taste this because it is very unique. It is very, very
One day.
unique. Getting there, but look, guys. Thanks for watching. Give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe. It does help us out a whole lot, and only takes a couple seconds. If you do want to ask any questions about this particular beer, how we made it, more of the methodology behind it, if you want to try and make it yourself, drop comments below. We're happy to chat about it. And if there are any topics that you want us to dive into, let us know because we want to make videos that you guys want to watch. Yeah. So cheers for watching and, happy brewing. Cheers man. Couldn't resist. Couldn't resist. Wow, that is good.
That's something different.
It's good. It's
That is different.
You know what? Is there too much coconut?
See, I thought at first I was like, is it overpowering? I'm like, no, it's like the signature.
Yeah.
It's like
you have to taste the coconut.
You gotta.
It's not a pina colada if you can't.
It's not even. It's.
I'm gonna put these back. Otherwise, it's gonna explode. I'm
yeah.
Not about that.
It's starting to ferment again. It's its character. That's the thing.